to Giggling Einstein.
To create, inspire, and have fun.
Have fun.
Hello, I'm Juliana, and this is Giggling Einsteins. Today I want to talk to you about the Valentines activities I set up for this week, and maybe stuff that you can do either in your center or at home. So here are some of the activities laid out for Valentine's week this week. So I have cards for the kids to trace over, and then inside they get to do their own art. I have one of our books for this week. Here are stamps for them to be able to decorate either these little cards or, you know, those cards, and then they can also decorate their envelopes. So all I did for this was I cut envelopes in half after I taped the back of them, and now they're in a cute little design and they're ready to go for their families and friends. This center is the letter V rescue for chocolates, and they cannot touch the string, so they have to get in here with their tweezers, grab their letter V chocolate, and then match it to the one on the table, or on the tray, I should say. And this is great for motor skills and letter recognition for the letter V, and then also patterns, because they're matching one pattern to another. So lots of goals in one activity. That's what I love to do. Over here is our Play-Doh table. So what we have in here is little lips and little jewels, and we have pink and red and white Play-Doh, and then we have little heart cookie cutters, also from the dollar store. And then these little things are probably little for gel things, but you can find them everywhere, really. You can find them at the dollar store, Walmart, but they are a lot of fun, and I'll be little hearts. For our sensory, we have our love potion, which also has just water, glitter. I found some rose petals from the dollar store as well, and that's mixed in along with those jewels that you just saw from the Play-Doh Center, and then I'll add stuff over the week. If you liked these activities and want to see more, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want full access to my Giggling Einsteins curriculum, just hit the link below. See you for the next one.